A very good morning to you all, my dear children. Today, let's learn the third chapter, Maratha Sardars, the famous house of the Bhosles. The period of unrest. As the saints preached devotion to God, the brave Maratha Sardars started a tradition of bravery. This was a period of great unrest because there were swear enemies like Adil Shah of Bijapur and Nizam Shah of Ahmednagar who used to be continuously at war. These two sultans constantly fought with each other. They made use of the armies of Maratha Sardars in these wars. The brave Maratha Sardars were both brave and tough. They were very strong. They were also fearless and loyal to their masters. They were very proud of their achievements on the battlefield. The brave Maratha soldier, with a spear in hand and a sword at the side, would ride in his Sardar's cavalry. If such a Sardar went to the Sultan with his army, the Sultan gave him employment, that is, job, made him a Sardar of his kingdom, and sometimes, as a gift, conferred a Jagir upon him. The Sardar who received such a Jagir considered himself a Raja, a royal king. There were many famous Maratha Sardars at the court of Ahmednagar and Bijapur. The more famous among them were Jadavs of Sindhkhed, Nimbalkars of Paltan, Ghorpades of Mudhol, Bhosles of Verul, and Mores of Jauli. My dear children, you need to remember all these 5 names. The Sindhkhed of Jadavs were descendants of the Yadavs of Devgiri. Jijabai, the mother of Shivaji Maharaj, was the daughter of Lakhoji Rao Jadhav of Sindhkhed. Tradition of Vellore. All these Sardars were brave, but many of them were sworn enemies of one another. They never thought that they should unite and do something for their own people. So all their valor and bravery served the interest of others. Even so, they kept alive the war-like spirit, especially among the young. Many famous soldiers were born in their families who kept alive the tradition of valor. Among the famous families, the Bhosles of Verul showed great bravery and enterprise. The temple of Gruneshwar. It was about 400 years ago. The temple of Gruneshwar near the Verul caves was falling to pieces. My dear children, no devotee went there to worship. The walls had developed cracks. The priest also had deserted the temple. Thus, the temple which was built in honor of a great god was totally neglected. All the devotees who came there mourned over the sorry state of the temple, but no one thought of repairing it. A great devotee of Shiva visited the temple regularly. He would put flowers and bell on the lingam and express his innermost thoughts to the god. He carried out extensive repairs to the temple and restored it to its original condition. He also made arrangements for the proper maintenance of the temple. Now there were lights both inside and outside the temple, and the lost grandeur of Gruneshwar was restored. Now, my dear children, who was this devotee who did all this? He was none other than Maloji Raje Bhosle. Now, my dear children, let's learn about the Bhosles of Verul. Maloji Raje Bhosle, the Patil of Verul, was a great devotee of Shiva. Babaji Raje had two sons. Maloji Raje was the elder and Vithoji Raje the younger. Babaji Raje Bhosle had the rights of a Patil in the Verul village. Maloji Raje and Vithoji Raje were both brave and enterprising. They had in their service many armed, strong Maratha troops. It was a period of great unrest. The Mughal emperor from Delhi had attacked the kingdom of Nizam Shah. Daulatabad was then the capital of Nizam Shah. Malik Ambar was his wazir or chief minister. He was very able and wise. The two capable and brave brothers from Verul soon caught his attentions. On his recommendation, the Shah conferred on Maloji Raje the Jagir of Pune and Supe Parganas. So, the Bhosles became rich and powerful. Now, my dear children, let's learn some more information about the family of Maloji Raje. Maloji Raje's wife was Umabai. She came from the house of the Nimbalkars of Paltan. They had two sons, Shahaji and Sharifji. Maloji Raje was killed in a battle at Indapur. At that time, Shahaji was only 5 years old. Then, Vithoji Raje, understanding his responsibilities, looked after the children and the Jagir. Later, he asked in marriage for Shahaji, the daughter of Lakhoji Rao Jadhav. Now Jijabai, the daughter of Lakhoji Rao, was well favoured by the gods. Lakhoji Rao accepted Vithoji Raje's proposal. Lakhoji Rao was a brave and valiant Sardar in the court of Nizam Shah. He kept a large army of his own. He commanded great respect and honour at the court of Nizam Shah. He celebrated the wedding of Shahaji Raje and Jijabai with great pomp. Jijabai became the fortune of the Bhosle family. Now, my dear children, let's learn about the great Maratha Sardar Shahaji Raje. Nizam Shah transferred to Shahaji Raje the Jagir he had conferred on Maloji Raje. Shahaji Raje was a brave and capable man held in great respect at the court of Nizam Shah. The Mughal emperor decided to conquer the kingdom of Nizam Shah. For this, he made an alliance, that is an agreement, with the Adil Shah of Bijapur. Malik Ambar and Shahaji Raje fought bravely to save Nizam Shahi. They defeated both the armies. This battle took place at Bhatawadi near Ahmednagar. Sharifji, brother of Shahaji Raje, was killed in this battle. Shahaji Raje displayed great valor. He was praised everywhere as a brave general. His reputation in the court was so enhanced that even Malik Ambar began to feel jealous of him. This gradually led to antagonism between them. That is, they started having Cold War, never used to talk with each other. As a result, Shahaji Raje left Nizam Shahi and joined the court of Adil Shah at Bijapur. Adil Shah honored him with the title Sar Lashkar, meaning the chief of army. Later, there were many developments in Nizam Shahi. Wazir Malik Ambar died. His scheming son Fateh Khan became the Wazir of Nizam Shahi. During his period, the Nizam Shahi began to decline. At about the same time, there was a threat, a danger of Mughal aggression to the Nizam Shahi. So Nizam Shah's mother requested and appealed to Shahaji Raje to return to Nizam Shahi and save it. Therefore, Shahaji Raje left Adil Shahi and returned to Nizam Shahi. I hope, my dear children, you all have understood the third chapter of EVS 2. Do revise this lesson and complete your assignment. Thank you.